In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Forms or how to create Google Forms. So why Google Forms? Google Forms is really useful in creating quizzes for event planning and even for human resourcing. So let's dive in. First, type into your search bar Google Forms. And then click on the second result that you will see, which is Google Forms Sign In. As you can see here, there is a blank form and different templates to choose from. But for this video, we will be using the blank form. So we will be designing and adding details here. First is the survey title. And then add a simple description about the survey. And then after this, we can modify the questions or add more questions, since we want to get personal details of a person. First is the name, the email, and lastly is their phone number. Also, there's a required button below per question. Let's turn them on since we want the user to answer all of these questions before submitting the form. So we will now be testing this form. Just simply click the send button on the right corner of the screen and shorten the URL. So copy this URL and create a new tab. Then hit enter and just simply input any details since we are just the tester of this form. Then hit submit. And we will go back to our form and check if the response was recorded, and here it is. This is how to create simple Google form, and thank you for listening.